Hello, my name is Nikul Patel and I am here to share some of the things which are related to manufacturing technology. This subject introduced by the Gujarat Technological University in the fifth semester of mechanical engineering. This slide shows you teaching scheme of this subject. There are 3 lectures allotted per week and 2 hours of laboratory sessions. Total subject credit is 4. Let's see syllabus of this subject. In this syllabus, there are 6 chapters. After learning first chapter, you are able to answer some of the questions like what is manufacturing technology, why it is important, and how to select economical manufacturing process. Second unit is about foundry technology. Foundry technology is also known as casting technology. We can classify this unit as one of the most important unit of this syllabus. In this unit, we learn about different casting processes and about pattern making. Third chapter of this syllabus is about metal joining processes, in which we are going to study about different welding technology, soldering, brazing, and adhesive bonding. Fourth unit is about forming and shaping processes. In this type of processes, material is not removed from the raw material during the manufacturing, only its shape gets changed. In fifth chapter, we are going to study about plastic technology. As we all know, plastic is not good for our environment, but many products are manufactured from the plastic material because of its lightweight and different other properties. Last unit of this syllabus is about advanced super finishing technology. In general, these technologies are not used for general purpose manufacturing. They all are useful to give or make super finishing products. Different books are listed in this slide. You can refer it to know this subject more and more in depth. But I know GTU students, sorry, let me correct myself. I know most of the GTU students prefer this publication, books from this publication, and from this. I am not here to endorse any book publication, but you need to select book wisely. Let's start with the first unit. Before going to the main topics, we need to understand word manufacturing. Manufacturing is a process of converting raw material into the finished product with the help of manpower, different tools, and machineries. Let's take an example of sofa set to understand definition of manufacturing nicely. For constructing a sofa set, we need wood as a main material. But wood comes from the forest and we need to cut it down and then transport it to the different warehouses, and then it will transfer to the different carpentry shops or wooden factories to cut it into the different shape and sizes. Then after it will transfer to the main factory where sofa set gets manufactured. In that, with the help of nut bolts, screw, adhesive material, and different tools, we can manufacture our final product, a sofa set. Another term is technology. Technology is nothing but the summation of different techniques, skills, methods, and process. All these are used to producing or manufacturing different goods and services. After understanding word manufacturing, we are now going to learn about importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing has significant role in country's growth, improve quality of product, to eradicate poverty, standard of living of individuals, economy of nation, development of agriculture sector, modernization of medical sector, Space Research Program. We understand each one in following slides. Country's growth. Manufacturing sector plays an important role in nation's economic development. Government of India launched Make in India program, and this one is the best example to understand importance of manufacturing. I will tell you later in this video about making India and how it is important to manufacturing and country's growth. Improve quality of product. With the help of proper technology and by applying proper process, we can manufacture a defect-free product or manufacture a product with good quality. This is happen only after we understand properly manufacturing technology. To eradicate poverty, manufacturing is a very important part of nation for job creation because it will provide many jobs in different sectors from gatekeeper to managing director or CEO of company, for instance. Standard of living of individual. If a person gets a job in a manufacturing sector, he can earn good amount of money. After earning the money, he or she can live a life in a better way. Economy of nation. Nowadays, manufacturing sector plays an important role in nation's economic development. In last decade, India has emerged as one of the fastest growing economy, and this is good for youth of India. Let's see statistically how manufacturing sector can be affect economy of nation. Take an example of India's GDP. In India's GDP, 54.13% contribution is from the service sector, 18.32% contribution is from the manufacturing sector, and 14.39% contribution is from the agriculture sector. We can understand easily by this that if India reformed the manufacturing sector in a positive direction, then GDP rate of India will increase in a few years. Let's see how the agriculture sector may be affected by the manufacturing sector. Agriculture sector is not only the backbone of India's economy but also for the many nations. We need to create advanced equipment for the agriculture, and this is only because happened because of the new technology and new ways to create and develop equipment for the farming. Modernization of medical sector. In present time, urgency of medical equipment and supportive product is uncertain, and because of that, we need to manufacture or develop products which are related to medical sector, cost effective, and make it reliable. Space Research Program for protecting Earth from the other planet and for the exploration of space, we need to manufacture fast responding equipment for Space Research Program. Now, let's see what India and America did for their manufacturing sector reform. In present day, each and every nation want to develop manufacturing hub in their land, and for that they provide many offers to attract industry owners from the different nation. Just for an example, Government of India launched Make in India project in 2014, where America launched Make It in America project many years ago. Why this type of steps were taken by the different government? Surprised by seeing this answer? Yes, I know. This will be surprise for all of us. I will tell you why. This is the reason for that answer. This table shows country's total value of manufacturing in US dollar. See who is on the top of the list and where is our India. This also reason for the present American president's demand to redefine the definition of developed and developing country onto the various international platforms. Babbar share, not from the zoo. because this initiative is designed to increase the contribution of manufacturing sector up to 25% into the India's GDP rate, which is around 18% presently. Now, let's sum up the discussion. For eradicating the poverty from the nation, we need to increase the contribution of manufacturing sector into the GDP of nation. This is the only way in today's scenario because manufacturing sector comes with lots of job opportunity. Manufacturing technology provides the tools that enable production of all manufacturing goods. These master tools of industry magnify the effort of individual workers and give the power to industry nation to turn raw material into the affordable quality goods, which is always essential for the society. In short, we can make modern life possible. Manufacturing technology provides the productive tool that gives growing and stable economy as well as increase the standard of living. It can make possible modern communications, affordable agriculture products, efficient transportation, innovative medical procedures, space exploration, and the everyday conveniences we take for granted. Stay tuned for the remaining syllabus. Thank you.